o se ka da ko no ke sakwakwa esere ene ani gye nkwafi so hwese ne no bae no ahyase ehemba no a na ke safia kokora bedidi ama berwa soso adidi ama mnanche ne mabawa no soso nyina adidi efise de wudua bia se ye bro se ye nto se ye moko se ye beans ye wudua bia hwese o de OCP fertilizer ne be pete so ma asodo so de ama wo be bia tonto agrochemicals ne nyina OCP fertilizer si ebi ewo honom frayen 05559094 370555909437 and 0555909433 nene OCP Ghana Limited for ending komo afena saso bia sompa ye saso abamona so sompa chede se de benfie miense de mo kai ho ame ye de sere ahye nyanka ne akunafo ne awisia emfrumu ma no afi so ye saso abamona so bio ejanka bedidi ejanka behye ejanka ewose onnomo na binu mienu yete ase de ene kwase ye mejanka ereho eno nti afi so no ekwa wieye de nkwala no mu bedie de omo behye ne omo benom ye ba o simple no kapre no fa be kan ho se ye bro se ye mo se ye ti tomato su de chese ni obenya bia enkwada no mo ntade wo mu nuane ene bibi bia ye de ema kwala no ama na ni gie ama na ni ka no di bronya no abusafo fa be kan ho ebia na wo no wontimi enye ne sa ne men na apese o ye ni sika abusafo obetimi asende no mobile money e de afa 0598559802 0598559802 edi ebeba etara one media na okay ho ama sanhyira we yenyina yensa akebebisa for wenum na so masinimo abomichi doma no pe bia wo bia ne yetimi aba na yaba besom mo mede ne sesan na ya abo amali bia bogabisa for yenye brena fensem no yenkomo ankasa emfa emmamo Yadamo shase de free about talk comments and pending for atnaye na sane eyemo ni mosam de dano be nansanie and yet is electoral commission pending for babishia amjukwa hudo ni nyina na voters register no a keso mamunemu na wo ho sai ho ntie and feeling kikawa sama twentwe ne sama ntifie etitimu no na omode ni nyina ama wonum ama omo no nyina atenase ahwem baby asama ne tie baby asama tenten wo gina baby asama ntifie no susu butuo no ma aseso mu nyina e de frimenra ekoso e wa abato komisare mpenim format na we kra de Alisa Hotel wan krapumplemantemo e na ekoso samba ka hye ne nso a ansa na abato komisare mpenim fo be fresh enhyemu we na NDC amanyuku na omani abere pa se voters register no se de sitie no omugitumu a enye yentie no ano na ke se enhyemu no eba so nyina de na eni nyina eda NDC fo so omodo omo adanse ebeto mpenim fo animu na yehudie ntia omo efi se voters register no ho entie enkobodo nyina akwa wieye no na twetwofo pene de MPP amanyuku no lawyer Justin Kodua from Pom kire se we any deda NDC for eye no a na office omonsem no enyina so bia nim omuni adanse bia dede kwa na omoye egu Ghana for asumu
until say other political parties are focusing when Dr. Manipur Unya Kunya Seka some electoral commission with my challenge I feel the kind of dia swampa and in soup for near paper you are simply here one supporters acquire demonstration supported this year on the international communities when CSO for Kasa say Ghana you register no you here for audit register in the papa and go for the film akunya platform nearby ka we expecting this say kasema is for kind na come from data nearby this is man mo kan no play the information you want anyway how much man find data information na ko pe empo ama
Observanti we eye twetwo for penny de mos no kokoko MPP amanyuku no lawyer Justin Kodua from Pona yetene nkano na enyo no nko na sanhyemu wo kwa ase bie owura kwaku de yido kokko yido ho ze hwan wono susu ko nhyemu na se bi na obeka ya wona e penny kwanche for that Atamils Institute ano na sa iPark meeting ye course we uyi se abatoka msa de penny for to nsa fra amanyuku ahodo ni nyina no a omo sa so etonsa e de freku huduo bia e ba abato abatoɔ ho nsensɛm ɛne ɔmayi nkyekyereɛ ho nsensɛm a ɔma ɛtado ɔma no tumu bie friends ntwɛfoɔ nyinaa sɛ yɛmmra ne yɛmɛdi referee ne yɛmɛyɛ adanseɛ ɛwɔ ho Koko Aido ho ɛkɔ aseɛ bi na ɔno nso so ɛbɔ electoral commission for aba so paa sɛ forensic audit no a NDC for ɛpɛ no ɛno nɛ yɛhu no.
First of all, Mobeka said the last CSO's meeting I had at EC headquarters. One of the issues that came up from the CSO's angle was that the next IPAC meeting, the media should be allowed to come. And so it's obvious that the EC has been listening to us. And so they allow the media into this IPAC meeting. If you ask me, this IPAC meeting itself was a forensic audit IPAC meeting. Yeah. People are calling for a forensic audit of the register. For me, it's a political water. I said, this IPAC meeting was a forensic audit IPAC meeting.
Observation nti wey eye Koko Aido ho wono ene ye pene kwanche for data Mills Institute anu enra wono so eko nhyiamu no asebie IPAC meeting no na enra de ma me akua donko ase na wa mi NDC for no a mi wo mu a apoma twede ntuma mu a wode eko nhyiamu na se enra de nso bo a wo se abonye se bi epete wo so wo keke bi de kire NDC for pa se Ghana for abrewu num efrim na ma meje mensa be electoral commission de bia NDC for gina no konso enti se ne o man tibe nya danse bia mfa ma office NDC for so man hyeso bo ne ya Ghana for ni omo ho adaje o ni omo ho adaje bia ni ma me akua donko
papa no benefo amwahia me danya me ase se me be ye nyina ye ma me ba no so ma me no so ye nyina he na se me danya me ase se obetna konwa so esu fidi amanfo asum no NDC for had papa nanso so wo be de court bra no wo betwere edini ne court nanso wo mani mu guase ka wo mo ne nyina achi no yasa betwere edini me ameti wo ya make say isi ka say obi afa ni nipa ametna table no ba bia ya twere edini obi afa ni nipa bra na ye hunu say e betwere no obi antimi aka ho asem me di nipa koi ba bia me di nipa kobi ni nyina achi no ya twere edini kama wade book ya de challenge nyina ka ho de pay ka ho so obi a wonya afie du nwatwe ya ntwere obi a wonya ganani ya ntwere adda na mo hadi pesa wonyi se nya me de bae wonya nkofo ya de bae o mo ye dai mo boa
Observanti enye no akua donko ne ete ne nka no we yamra na IPAC meeting e koso won krapompo mante Malisa Hotel Abonte so eno no so ne party fu ko piase a no won keka bie e de akere NDC fo no Owura Kofi Akpalu LPG amanyuku no someha ono so ne die ne mu o se de NDC amanyuku no ye nyina no e waste of time adaje say ya ekwa office ni kwan electoral commission for eso so wo mo so biewu.
It will give you 0.002, and this is not even up to 0.01%. So in auditing, this will be classified as immaterial. So no auditor will spend time to work on that because it's immaterial. So those who are calling for forensic audit, at this point in time, it casts my mind back to 2016 when what is that judge's name? 18 million registered voters. Going to do that auditing in less than 60 days. This one is non-starter. You shouldn't have even sent that request here. You have wasted everybody's time.
Afonti we Owura Kofi Akpalu LPG amanyuku no na ye kofa baya odi omanima premampani adwane bi afi abato no emu na emfa ho ne ensem amanfo kekan ye de ekire NDC amanyuku no Dr. Edward Omane Boama wona hwe abato ho nsensem so NDC amanyuku no koso a ejina ba bia wo jina se ofi se abato ngoma no emu na ho no mo papa ho behia se ye hwe no bienu emienu.
I think that the ground rule must be modified. Obviously, no other political party was seen during the PowerPoint presentation being responded to. So it is obvious we have done a good job, and that is why today you are all here to help deepen our democracy. This said, very obviously, 1 to 4 minutes for all other political parties will certainly not be enough for the NDC. Thank you.
Observe to a Dr. Edward Omane Boama, one a penny power here about to Hunson so Emma and this Yamanyukun, on also soon Samoa and or the Tuja or IPAC meeting no ASEAN. Now about to come no penny pa, Mammy Jemensa Sosono HRSA, and someone and this Yamanyukun Eka, ye we dear film, ye the Wedia Quakosha, Area Bia Quakuguha, Edwia Quakugu saying Nano. Now let talk commission in penny for saying in area, and Nunti, and an almost from a demonstration, and for so be. So momra no more entena se eni nkomo sense e be chubu yi sembia mame jemensa so nsemo o de eto NDC ene party for ni nyina animu eni.
As part of the Commission's efforts to ensure transparency and accountability in all its processes, we have decided that this meeting and all subsequent IPAC meetings will be covered by the media. It is important to note at the very onset of today's meeting that we have made significant progress towards cleaning the provisional voters register and ridding it of discrepancies since it was first exhibited in all 40,000 plus exhibition centers across the country. Over the last few weeks, the Commission has employed tried and tested legal and administrative processes to clean the provisional register and rid it of discrepancies as envisaged by the framers of the 1992 Constitution.
Abuzan former me Jane Nadukwe Mensa and Yetene Canona Yeba Penia or the Electoral Commission at Nayeno Anon and na Ochechi Semu, Koyomo Fasuo, head the Nidira Yomodia Babe Semu, and some Amfu good voters registered Munina, Pempam Momu Free Muno, and Ana Oboboso, a day Achere Amansan. The Information Free Electoral Commission in Penning Fabo Bono, Information Consent from Nebusian de Yetetia, and it says Uchedian Ponyan Krumpom Basiadam so Fakum, Knock of Ficheka Krebia. If we next week you can some kese and a baby ya o may you kumu ade agana you may phone na akantama densia we abogu so akota from abache say free next week ikono o mo nkwa adwuma biu if zoma ka kire mampani na do dan kwa kufa say won na ontu anamo o galamse no ho a mampani so say watwi dani a wontie ni obi eken o mo efise senye strike ni demonstration o mo fise mampani wo man wunum ntia no mo koye nhyiemu a o mo asiginaye so don for ya domo a October busumi ya ya and then they toss me no ne de toss do obi ansi adwuma mu omo nyina etena fie ora Joshua ansa.
Following the expiration of our deadline and the failure of government to meet our demands on illegal mining, that is what I'm saying, organized labor has decided to declare a nationwide strike with effect from October 10th, 2024.
Observe for way ayo penny Joshua ansa Ghana Jumefu koye nhyiemu anra no wono ene ku no ye twetwefo penny de ma wunum ene ogina omana mu ode sansami eto eye edwa no enra mampeni dada John Dramani mama ne Ghana sofo bi no mo ehia ya wono mo ehu mpaye dwa mpaye eyi mpaye edema no sebeyo na fia bato na ye babo enwa lezi ebutu akwakoto no ejankunima akọ ede amano na mpaye bonase ena odifo Isaac Uzubempa de koto mampeni dada John Dramani mama nim ene domo a na etwehia hono mo se twedi amponya nkrompon asaso de oman na madwoma ma biu kwa bia so amanfo po mo ntwe straw enkoto lake bosomtwim no mo num ni nyina ntokuro ma se pure water emungu so kwa bia so your mama afia bato no obetabiri mane se tabiri nwano he obefa ne sem prokra na ose na akoma papa nti ene nyankopon de nani ato a osaso de oman no ahye ne nsa ebio mra wo dwa mpaye ene nkomsha wo seye no yankodi nkuti kakra
ye bompai ohunam nyina nyankopo dia wodena dom oman Ghana na obedi oman yanim ebreti sei etumi bia ntimi sia na okwan enam ne so oman ebe konani ene ena wahye ene ena waka watintim no ewo ɔman akonya kɛseɛ so ewo Yesu din mu amen.
Observe nti we AOD for Isaac Usubempa ena yete no enken na senhyiamu na asia ena mampani dada John Dramani Mahama so ede to dwa se na no abato na yekoto ye no awore ye no wose amane sua ne ma bebre wono watiwei wodi assembly mind da wabedi MP da abedi deputy minister da abedi minister da abedi vice president edi mampani asa remienu abato mto no de ye se ene amane sua hu na ekuta no de nyasem ketwa no wo se Ghana for bo se se sa da ne tumi ama no amana bedi o man yusu biwa kese ono ne experience teacher ne president ya odo o man no ebeko bo she asase so.
In the path of genuine progress and transformation. I've had the opportunity to govern this country before. I've had the opportunity to lose an election and watch from the outside. This reflection has given me the kind of insight that I believe can help bring this country back on track. Not everybody gets the opportunity that God may give me in this election. The opportunity to have done it before, be able to sit back and reflect and come back and do it better once again. This is the kind of leadership the NDC offers to the people of Ghana in the upcoming December 7th election. A leadership that will be honest with the people, a leadership that will eschew extravagance, a leadership that will tackle corruption and investigations.
Observe nti we mampani dada John Dramani Mahama enra ne mpa bo adwumadi a wo hyehyɛ ya ase no de sansem yi etu dwa ye gina we so na no pay nsɛm e baba no de ba besom wo no ye de mo asia ne asɔre na ɔmanhina asaso atena se bi onimum OCP Ghana Limited o OCP Fertilizers no ene egusu a ye kanfo e de ama ye kuafo no se hwɛ na fa bi pete wo no baye no so no mfudie no so na be so dɔso e de ama wasase no se ya buo mu kura e na wo de wuye ukua no dua no baye no a fa OCP Fertilizers ni bi pete so na obehia ye no ada ye sepa if ye kire ade papa na Sompa chede egusu a afi so no ye toa so okunani nyanka bisia ombedidi wo mobenno mombehye eyemene omienu a na ye beboa nkoda ni akunafo yi eno nti na wo sempo a wo kapra wo teku seye mo seye nto seye meko seye bibibia wo de ba beka ho bia seye tin tomatoes seye biscuit seye nkwalanta de nkwalampa boa bibibia obetimi edi ababekan ho bia no abuzanfofo bekan ho na yemfasere enhye nyanka ene yekunafo yi wo mo emfunumu ma so de sika na obetimi aye no a na o send dia fa mobile money number yi so 0598559802 0598559802 di ebeba Tara One Media. Abuzanfo ye de kase na sia ye sori o manhene esaso atenase bio ade acha dwumadi etwaso kuku na etamechi anopai ene Kelvin nom David Chan nom ene Ekoba Jesi Mprimu ene Azuka nom Shadrack nom etamechi midin ede nana ya abo amale bia boga no pai so no ya saso amamachia ebia
21st clinic yes sciatica expert sciatica no o nerves na wo to ase na fa wo